Hey everyone, welcome to Miss May Bow Studio. If you like this video, subscribe for more hair accessory tutorials and ideas. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to securely attach your own hair bow to a hair clip using Gorilla Glue. For this project, you will need a silicone non-stick mat, liquid glue pen, bow wire, vegan leather hair bow, and metal hair clip. Let's begin. I will be using this cute cheetah print vegan leather bow I have prepared. To wrap your bow, cut a thin rectangle out of your vegan leather, or select any color that matches your bow or something shiny if you prefer. My bow is ready to attach. First, cut a small piece of bow wire. Prep your hair bow by carefully wrapping it with bow wire. Put down either a non-stick glue gun pad or paper towel. Now I can adhere my bow wrap using a liquid glue pen. For this type of material, it's best to use Gorilla Super Glue for a long-lasting result and durable hold. Place the bow and wire on top of the metal hair clip and twist the bow wire to tighten it into place with a secure hold. Next, glue the metal clip to the back of the faux leather bow, one side at a time, and apply pressure. Now you can wrap the rectangular cut piece of vegan leather around the bow in position for adhering. Cut to size first by making sure the ends line up flush with the hair clip. Once they align, add a line of glue on the rectangular strip and apply pressure to stick the two sides to the bow one at a time. And just like that, this cheetah bow hair clip is done and ready to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is the inspiration you needed to get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more hair accessory tutorials and ideas.